Today we're diving into a groundbreaking topic that could change the future of medicine forever. Could stem cell therapy be the end of organ transplants as we know them? This is a topic that has the potential to completely transform healthcare. So stick around because we're going deep into the science, the possibilities, and the challenges ahead. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on more fascinating discussions like this. Now, let's get into it. Imagine a world where instead of waiting months or even years for an organ transplant, doctors could grow a brand new organ for you using your own cells. No more donor lists, no more organ rejection risks, and no more lifelong dependency on anti-rejection medication. It sounds like science fiction, but it's becoming a reality thanks to stem cell therapy. So, what exactly are stem cells and why are they so important? Stem cells are the body's raw materials, cells that have the unique ability to develop into different types of specialized cells, like heart cells, liver cells, or even neurons. Scientists have been working on harnessing this power to repair damaged tissues, regenerate organs, and potentially eliminate the need for traditional transplants altogether. One of the most exciting advancements in this field is the development of lab-grown organs. Researchers have successfully used stem cells to create mini versions of human organs, known as organoids. These tiny functional organs are being used for research, but in the future they could be scaled up to replace damaged or failing organs in patients. For example, scientists have been able to grow liver tissue that functions similarly to a real liver. This means that instead of waiting for a liver transplant, patients with liver disease could one day receive lab-grown tissue made from their own cells, eliminating the risk of rejection. The same goes for kidneys, hearts, and even lungs. If researchers can fully develop and scale this technology, we could see a future where organ failure is no longer a life-threatening condition. Another area where stem cell therapy is making waves is in heart disease treatment. Heart attacks cause permanent damage to the heart muscle, but researchers are exploring how stem cells can regenerate that damaged tissue. Early studies have shown promising results, with some patients experiencing improved heart function after receiving stem cell treatments. While this research is still in its early stages, the potential is enormous. Stem cells are also being used to help treat neurodegenerative diseases like Parkinson's and Alzheimer's. Scientists are working on ways to replace damaged neurons with healthy ones derived from stem cells, which could slow or even reverse the progression of these diseases. Imagine a future where conditions that were once considered incurable can be treated or even cured using a person's own cells. But with all these incredible advancements, there are still major challenges to overcome. One of the biggest obstacles is making these treatments safe and effective for widespread use. Growing organs in a lab is one thing, but making sure they function correctly inside a human body is another. Researchers need to ensure that lab-grown tissues integrate properly, receive adequate blood supply, and don't develop complications. Then there's the ethical debate. Some forms of stem cell research, particularly those involving embryonic stem cells, have sparked controversy. While many scientists are now focusing on induced pluripotent stem cells, which can be created from a patient's own skin or blood cells, ethical concerns still exist in certain areas of research. There are also regulatory and cost challenges. Right now, stem cell treatments are expensive and not widely available. Bringing this technology to the masses will require significant investment, regulatory approvals, and clinical trials to prove long-term safety and effectiveness. But as research progresses and technology advances, costs are expected to decrease, making stem cell therapy more accessible in the future. So, could stem cell therapy really eliminate the need for organ transplants? While we're not there yet, the science is advancing rapidly and the potential is undeniable. In the coming decades, we could see a world where organ failure no longer means waiting for a donor. Instead, patients could receive a custom-grown organ made from their own cells. Now, I want to hear from you. Do you think stem cell therapy will eventually replace organ transplants entirely? Or do you believe there will always be a need for traditional transplants? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more discussions on cutting-edge medical advancements. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.